Next topic is pressure line. So it is a very important question. For 2 marks or 7 marks. So explain about pressure line or thrust line. So what is into pressure line? So in this video we will discuss about pressure line. That is nothing but combination of both direct stress and bending stress will result in stress. So the load which is acted externally is nothing but outside of the beam. The load which is acted externally outside the beam tends to some locus of the point where it attains maximum strength, which is known as the locus of point, and the where the line is known as pressure line. Okay, the load, this is the combination of both bending stress and direct stress which is obtained by the load acted externally and the maximum load which is attained at the some point which is known as locus point, and the line which is known as pressure line or thrust line. So the pressure line or thrust line which is indicated at the locus point at some distance known as eccentricity, where the eccentricity is calculated directly, which is given by h by 6, where the eccentricity is given by h by 6. Okay, so here for the purpose of in triangular load, if the shape is a triangular shape, this is known as h by 6 from neutral axis to eccentric distance, and the inverted triangle means this is the eccentrical distance which is known as pressure line. In this pressure line, so if concrete beam is placed and the cable line and the cable tendons or ducts or straps which is mix of 2 to 7 mm diameter, the cable line which is passed here is the pressure which is given load, and the line which is drawn here we known as the cable line. This is called the cable line. Okay, this is called the cable line, and this is the pressure line. So the pressure line is calculated at some distance which is known as L by 4. This is L by 4, and the here the eccentric height we called as h by 6 at the middle. At the middle we will call the eccentric distance h by 6. But in cable line, in this cable profile, so we can know that at center we can calculate the pressure line as E is equal to h by 6. But some distance we want L by 4, and here some ends L by 4. The pressure line indicates as h by 12. It is h by 12 and it is also h by 12 at some distance of L by 4 to L by 4. At center the E value is h by 6, which is common, and from the edges of distance we will calculate the pressure line the value h by 12, which is more important. If in example calculate the pressure line so and so data given, so directly we can calculate E is equal to h by 6. So h is nothing but height. H represents height of the beam. Okay, so here main pressure line, that is nothing but pressure line is nothing but which is defined as the both direct stress and bending stress acted on externally loaded which is acted and the basic eccentric distance E is equal to h by 6. So all the pressure line or thrust line and the cable profile which is depends upon both magnitude and direction of the given cross section. Okay, so pressure line which is mainly depends upon both magnitude and direction, and the cable profile will be like this. Which we can calculate at center pressure line E is equal to h by 6, and at some distance h by 12. Okay, so this is the concept of pressure line, thrust line.